Hi there. I am a patient of Dr. Sam Lamb's, who I'm very impressed with. Not only Dr. Lamb, but his team. I am one day post-surgery for I forgot the name of it. FUT hair transplant. So sorry. And I will tell you, I have no complaints about how I feel today. I look funny, but as far as pain, if I had to count on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm pushing it to say a 2, almost even a 1. But I have had hair loss starting in my late teens from a high fever, and then about 15 years later had one due to a reaction to an antibiotic. I did see a hair specialist many years ago after that second incident who did diagnose me with female pattern baldness and put me on Rogaine. I could have done a transplant, but at that point my hair was not that bad. And then I had another loss of hair after weight loss. And I have been disturbed by my hair loss for many years. And as recent as 6 years ago, I was at lunch with a friend who I had not seen in many, many years. And that was six years ago. And she said, "Oh, what happened to all of your hair?" And it did bother me then, but I know the type of person she is. So, and she's lovely, but she just doesn't have a filter when she talks. But it has really bothered me in the last few years. I'm tall, so if most people don't see the hair loss, but if you were taller or I'm sitting, you do. So I investigated having hair transplants. And Dr. Lamb was recommended by 2 of my dermatologists, my older one, and as well as my current dermatologist. And he was very thorough with me. Everything that I've gone through with here, with all his staff, they have been so professional, very thorough. Yesterday, when I was in for the actual procedure, I was just amazed at how thorough everybody was, how well put together. The little operating suite was arranged and how much care was given. I did see Dr. Lamb today for my follow-up. I know I look kind of funny, but he was very pleased. He thinks I'm going to be very pleased. And again, I have all the faith in the world in him. And if I had to do this or recommend this to somebody, I definitely would. Again, I'm one day post, but I know it's going to work. I feel good about it. And having a doctor in the family who also agreed with what all we were going to do made me feel even better. So I just really can't say enough good things about the practice, and look forward to recommending him, seeing my results, and the staff here when needed. And they've been very quick as well to respond to any questions I've had, whether it be by phone or by email. And I think that's it.